In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get Twitter Blue just like Elon has. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. Every user can now get Twitter Blue and it will be displayed next to their name. So all you have to do to get Twitter Blue is just move on to your home feed and then just swipe to the right to bring up that options, and then just select Twitter Blue. And then in order to get Twitter Blue you need to get paid subscription. So right here you can select between annual and monthly subscription, and once you did that, just hit at that black button to subscribe and get Twitter Blue. That's how it works. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Twitter tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.